download here one of my experts that I exported. Open data folder, MQL, MQL4, experts, and where is the experts folder? Up. Okay. Let's see that one. Refresh. When you're starting an expert on the chart, in the input tab, you see the maximum data bars. Each expert starts with default 1000 bars. These are the bars that the experts are going to use to calculate the indicators. But for some indicators, this 1000 bars may not be enough. For example, this may not be enough for such a cases I mentioned before, cases where the indicators are using its previous value to calculate the current one. So you can expand this number. I'll put, for example, 4000. Okay. Now this, why I have 40 here? Because this is USD GPY. 40. Is that the spread? 60. Yes. It's exactly 40 points. From 660 to 700. 40 points. And you can increase this number, but when you're increasing this number too much, the expert uses more memory and becomes slower. So you have to adjust that. What you have to check is if these numbers and the indicators values correspond to what we have on the backtest. If they correspond, no problem. We don't need to increase the used bars. And I think that this is the most important what we have to do. Actually, we did our maintenance. What we did is we downloaded first. We loaded the updated historical data in the Forex Strategy Builder Professional. We backtested these strategies again. Now I have problems because it has only the last 1000 bars. Why the strategies are crashing? Maybe the charts are crashing because I reduced the number of bars. I have to fix their strategies. That's this one. Maybe only some strategies are crashing. Okay, never mind, I will check that. It's a good moment to ask you for help when you see any unusual behavior of the program or of the experts and like that crashes. Please send me a letter or write in the forum and explain how you do that, because I'm receiving these crash reports, but from the crash reports this is something like a picture of the condition. I am not sure how to make the steps to leading to that crash. So for example, if I was a user, I should send an email to the developer, and I have to send that to write that the bars were 30,000 or without limitations, and I were on the chart, and I go to the control panel data horizon. I reduce the data bars to 1000, and later when I return to the chart crashes. So if you write that on a letter, it will be enough information for me to recreate the crash and to fix it. So we imported historical data, we checked the performance, we also updated our MQL code, we re-exported the experts, and we rewarded the new experts in the MetaTrader. We recompiled the experts successfully. How to be sure that all are compiled correctly? When you go here to the navigator, we see that all icons are with yellow faces and these rectangles here. If they are gray, that means there are errors. we should not see any errors here. So that's all for that episode. Thank you very much for watching that series. It became 35 minutes, a little bit longer than what I expected. If you like that series, please subscribe to our channel and like that video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.